Alright, so we're going to be replacing the accessory drive belt. So there's two belts on the front of the Subaru. You got this guy right here, which is driving the compressor for the AC. And then you've got the other belt, which is a little bit longer, and that's running your power steering pump and the alternator. So this is the one we're going to be replacing. This one's squealing on me on startup. It's not looking very good, so we're going to swap that one out. So I did get the belt, and here's the part number that we got here. Got it straight from Subaru from the dealership. The first part we'll need to get is this top guard. So bolt there, and then you've just got a press fit here. Now we can have a better look. So this is the belt we're trying to replace. And we have a tensioner right here. So if we undo this, we'll be able to loosen the tension on the belt. That is one chewed up belt, so I think I got every last mile out of that one. So you do have to back that one all the way. I was not expecting to have to pull it out that far, but these are pretty deep groove pulleys. The front flange on them is quite tall. To finish it off, we'll install this back on. There you guys have it. No more squeal, everything's running good. And yeah, probably only took about 15 minutes.